Hello, I'm Jacob. I've got my wife Savannah with me and my dog Miley. We are here in the Richland Creek area.
My hair is a disaster.
This is camp.
You distracted me and it all came out. Bye-bye fish. I'm gonna catch a Miley butt. Do you like it?
It's our 1-year anniversary. I guess that means now I gotta get hers.
You were gonna make me wait till tomorrow because I gave you your cute herb.
Miley, do you think that's for you? What? Why are you crying?
I already read the box.
You already read the box.
My turn.
I got one! You want in the water, don't you? Yeah, you want in the water, don't you? Well, I don't know if you can tell, but it decided to start raining. But we just finished making dinner. We're having tacos. And she's having it in salad form. But I guess we're gonna eat and then take shelter, unfortunately. I haven't been able to make a way to easily put the tent away, and right now the tent is like way up there and I don't have tailgate or anything, so I'm building a step to put in the receiver. That way I can stand on something and put the tent away, so this will be interesting. Slept on So it's our 1-year anniversary, and we are hiking to a waterfall, and that waterfall is called Fuzzy Butt Falls. And what did I do there?
You proposed, and now we're going. I'm 12 weeks pregnant.
So we thought, well, let's go to this waterfall, and while she still can, because she's got a baby in her. So yeah. Oh yeah. No, big one no. Little one, yeah.
But I didn't bring swimming stuff.
You go swimming? Well, that's going to conclude it for this video. We're getting gas.
I'm making a tiki-talkie.
We just ate at some hole-in-the-wall restaurant.
It was really
Literal
good.
hole-in-the-wall
It was
restaurant. It was good. Called Direct Canoe if you're in Clarksville. Right over there. I got a sandwich, she got shrimp, and we got fried pickles. And Miley's will have one.